So I'm taking off this exhaust manifold on this little L555. It is a little skid steer, like a 1991 42 horsepower Kubota that great little machine. It's got about a 1,700 pound lift capacity. Pulled off the old exhaust right there. Like I say, 42 horsepower Kubota Diesel. I'm trying to get behind the fuel rail, or actually not the fuel, the fuel pump back here. And so if you can see, trying to get back into here, so to take off this exhaust manifold. I was a little bit skeptical, thinking that maybe I wouldn't be able to get to it because usually on these exhausts, these nuts and bolts are seized up, but these ones came off relatively easy. Pretty impressed. So we're just working our way through all the little details here, but I'm sure as things progress, we're going to start to develop a few little issues here. But as of right now, things are going pretty good. Pretty pleased with how things are operating here, how they're coming off. But hopefully before the sun goes down, I can get to the back side of this little fuel pump on this L555. Behind here, I need to get back into there. But videoing, taking pictures always helps. I've never dove into one of these before, so after I get into this manifold, I'm going to take a couple still photos or video it, just to make sure that I stay in touch with where all my parts and pieces go. Down there. Stay safe. Miss the heck out of you guys. Ag Mechanics, Bonners Ferry High School, COVID-19, 2020.